Okay, 5th grade. Today our target is I can multiply a decimal number by a whole number. And we have our whole number here, 6, and our decimal number here, 1 and 82 hundredths, or 1.82. Now when you're multiplying decimals, you just follow the same steps as you for multiplying without a decimal. So I'm going to put 1.82 on the top, because it has more digits, and then 6 on the bottom. Notice I'm not lining up the decimal point because you don't have to do that when you're multiplying. And we are multiplying. I'm going to do 6 times 2 is 12. Put the 2 down here, carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48. Add 1, 49. Plus 4 up here. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. And then the last step to multiplying decimals is you're going to look how many spots past the decimal point are my original numbers. And we have 6, which is no spots past. There's no decimal point here, but then 82, which is 2 spots past. So I have to take my answer and go 2 spots backwards. So my answer is 10.92. Let's do one more example just to make sure we get this. I'm going to do 4, a nice simple example, 4 times 0.3. So I have 0.3 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. The 2 down here, carry the 1. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1, 1. Go back to our original problem. It has 1 spot past the decimal point, so we're going to put 1 spot backwards, and our answer is 1.2. So 4 times 0.3 is 1.2. So when you're multiplying decimals, just remember to look and see how many spots past the decimal point you started with. This one was 1. The one up here, it was 1. 1, 2, and let's just set up one more example problem. Let's do 9 times 0.18. You know your answer should have 2 spots past the decimal point because there's 2 spots in the original problem.